Hey guys, so I got these slip-ons here, DBX45 4.5 for Harley Street Glide from Rinehart. I've got my Street Glide here propped up. Thought I'd skip through some of the first part of this and kind of show you what it looks like. Here's the original pipes with the Rinehart with the white text and a little bit shorter tip. And I've taken out this end cap here. It's got a hex bolt on the bottom, hex bolt on the side here, and small little screws like this. They're very extremely hard. Just use your basic Allen wrench to get them off. I actually used a pair of pliers here to kind of grab the inside part of that Allen wrench, so I didn't bend the Allen wrench itself because they were on there pretty hard. I've driven these pipes probably about, I don't know, 8 miles, and you can see it's already got a little bit of stuff in there. Had to drive it home from the dealer. So anyway, just for you guys to see how it comes out, here's the new end cap Rinehart, which is actually etched Rinehart right there, so it's not in white text like this one right here. You can see it is a little bit longer. Looks a lot better in my opinion. You can see the end caps are kind of lined up, and the baffle is attached by 3 hex screws. Same, I'm not sure of the measurement of the hex screw, but anyway, you've got 3 of them here connected to the baffle, which is right here. So it's a pretty long baffle there. So I'm going to disconnect those, get them hooked back up, and put the new end caps on there. And they do provide the hardware. This is what they provide, 6 for each side. And here's another one here. So anyway, you can kind of see the difference there between the pipes and the look and the length, just a better overall look. And once it's all said and done, I'll show you the end product. Just to get a little bit better comparison here, you can see the Rinehart stock, and then the end caps here, the 4.5. Put on the DBX, you can kind of see the size differential right here. And just to show how it's all connected, you just flip that over. You got your baffle. And it just basically fits inside this little lip right here. You see a little tiny little lip around the edge. Sorry about the camera work. Anyway, you just place it right inside that lip, doesn't go far. And then you put the little ring just on top and slide it all the way down the bottom. It catches on the little lip right there, and then you just put the 3 bolts to attach it in the 3 aligned holes. And then your end product, you'll just stick back in the pipe. That's it. All right, we've attached the new baffle, or the old baffle, to the new end cap, as you can see right there. If you ever wanted to look inside a pipe, well, here's your chance. Got a light in there. So there's basically a little cap on the inside that the baffle goes around. So if you ever wanted to look inside a pipe, well, there's your chance. You can see what inside one of these motorcycle pipes looks like. Anyway, all right, we've got the right side installed. You can see here the difference here, the look between the original and the added end caps. See them together here, straight down. They are a little longer. Adds a little more flavor to the look of the bike. You can see right here, it kind of sticks out almost to the end of the bumper right there. The other one's just a little bit on the inside of the bumper. So line that up straight. Anyway, halfway done. Now we get the other side. All right, just finished putting on the final pipe. Pulled it out here so you can take a better look at it out here in the sun. It's kind of hard to tell, but anyway, it turned out pretty good. I will say they were not the easiest to take off. The bottom bolt of the left side and the left bolt of this side were on there so tight. I had to get an upgraded Allen wrench that had better steel, and then a crescent wrench on top of that just to turn it kind of at the base, at the L part of the bracket, just to get the bolt out of there. So it was not easy, and then getting it back in was not easy either, as my pipes must have been slightly oblong. They weren't completely 100% circle, but I was able to get them in there, but it took me a little while. So anyway, looks good. And I guess what I'll do here is I'll just set the camera down and might as well crank it up so you can hear what they sound like. But these are the Rinehart 4.5-inch DBX45s, and I've got the Moto Merge end caps on there, so I'm gonna crank it up. Alright, that's it. So hope this helps you guys. Haven't seen a whole lot of these type videos with these end caps. I saw one, I believe, but just taking them apart and everything, didn't see much of that. So anyway, you guys have a good one. Roll Tide.